Just a second, somebody has to be picked up.
I'll do it.
There somebody has to pick up me.
What army has done, I will tell you that.
So you see, now I understood the matter, and I must salute the engineer who has done it. The reason is this: the power department or any other department can come by this. There may be at any point of any accident. That is not the issue. Issue is this: अजहर देखो ये जो है अभी ये ऑयल यहाँ से आया यहाँ से आया देखा तुम तो इधर से क्या हुआ इधर से इसको लेकर वही ड्रेन में ले गया दिस इज द इफ यू गो नाउ वी कैन गो दैट स्पॉट But that stop is there in the right hand. Yes. This come here. You follow me?
Yes, sir.
So this is the distance of I think near about 1 kilometer or more than that.
Less than.
Less? How much?
Around 5.
Then you have to go by road.
Yes, we can go.
Huh? Okay. 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 Then call all these people. तुम एक काम करो हमारा ये समीर कहाँ है
समीर
गाड़ी लेकर उधर चला जाओ
असम मखा की साइकिल साइकिल कहाँ बदो
तो हम लोग पुलिस स्टेशन तो इधर है नीचे भी सब लोग जहाँ आया
यहाँ पे चल सकती है ना ये तो ऑयल है
Be careful, don't worry.
चलिए ये ब्रिज के there don't go
Sir, you cannot go by this side. Because मैंने गड्ढा खोद दिया है वहाँ पे.
Actually, what we have done, no, I'm telling you, I'm saluting you. Wonderful job done.
Hello?
There is a very strong hint of sabotage. So there is an investigation team. It has been given 15 days. I don't know why it should take 15 days. It should be, if NDTV's information is correct, it should be able to say within a day or two that this was sabotage. So probably the state government already knows what has happened, but the investigation is probably trying to find the culprits. I don't know if they can find the culprits, but if the state government has already decided that it was done by some Kuki agents, whoever they were, they could be trying to get back at Kukis by shutting down electricity. So that's what I'm suspecting at this point. Okay, thanks.
I still don't understand on what basis that they, regarding the oil leak, that they suspected any Kuki involvement in there. I still don't get it. Even if a mosquito bites them, they blame the Kuki.
No, Leimakhong is a Kuki village.
But then the oil, this thing is not around the Kuki. I mean, it is not in the Kuki's city.
It is. The power plant is right in the middle of the Kuki village.